Haba pa ng Charlie Cup. Sabi natin pwede magkwentuhan dito. Kapano yung naisip mo nung nag-first solo?
Wala.
Wala
Kailangan
rin
ko
ako
mabuhay.
naisip eh.
Kailangan ko mabuhay.
Ayun kinakapin.
Fly, fly, fly. There, hold. Main center line hold. Main center line hold. Okay lang. Okay.
Yun na yung nakasuta ko eh. Ilan ko lang. Kahit hindi maganda, kahit video mo lang.
Dapat. Safe pa rin, ha?
Yes, Gab.
Slider, gap, center line, flare, center line, flare, center line, flare. Touchdown.
3172 sir, request to park in front of the tower, releasing my student for his first solo. Kind to extend your assistance sir.
Okay, ready?
Yes, Gab.
Nakakabahan? Alright.
Lang, Gab. Hanap lang.
Mamaya dyan ka rin magpapark, susunduin mo ako dyan ha. Mo
Okay,
iwan.
Oo, Gab. Sakay ka dito, Gab. Nag-uusap tayo. Nag-uusap tayo.
Okay, pagbaba ko, pag-close ko ng pinto, tsaka ka tumawag, ready po, taxi instructions reactive, ha?
Okay, Gab.
Okay, sige, basta ta. Okay, good luck. Galing mo.
Yes, Gab.
RPC 345, continue taxi on Charlie 0.07.
Subic Tower, RPC 3172 requesting taxi instructions to the active.
Correction, RPC 3172, taxi on Charlie to holding point 07.
Taxi Charlie, holding point 07, 3172.
3.
Tagal na holding point, guys. Bro, ang tagal na holding point na. Hindi ko alam, nakakabahan na ako. Parang sabi ko na-umbus.
RPC 3172, line up and wait, runway 07.
Line up and wait, RPC 3172.
Okay, let's do this, bro. Happy mom, happy dad, happy man. Let's go.
RPC 3172 at 9 knots, runway 07, cleared for takeoff.
Cleared for takeoff, RPC 3172.
It's on the floor. I'm full power. Main center line. Engine instruments on me. Main center line. Earth with alive. 40. 45. 50. 55. 60. Update. Okay, 3 mas needed. Up brakes.
Subic Tower, RPC 3172 for stop.
RPC 3172, report on base.
Report on base, RPC 3172.
Floating 400 feet, landing lights off, flaps up. We got this, bro. Approaching on the ground, clear left, clear front, clear right, so making turn while grinding. 56 down, Cobra. 800 feet, level up, reduce power. Okay, ito lang. Approaching 340, wing step. Approaching. A beam train. Clear right, clear front, clear left, commencing turn. Commencing downwind. At ka ng power, like ka, connecting altitude. Establish downwind bumping. Undercarriage, make sure reach primary and lock. Fuel on both. Engine instruments on green. Pitches up. And I pitches on. 6 passengers. Approaching a beam. Threshold. Beam threshold. Reduce the power to 2,000. Which may wider. Flaps 1. Flaps 1. Oi. Mass. The bumper nose on this. Maintain. Up to 2,000. 45 degrees from the runway. Reduce power. Descend to 700 feet. Commence turn. Gear right before clear left. 90 degrees. Next heading, 160. Hold 160. Establish base, flaps 2. Chassis nose, go. Ako rin. Nice. Good. Reduce power. Tapos, manual trim. Okay, turn tayo final. Gear right, gear front, gear left. Next heading, 070. Baba mo.
RPC 3172 at 8 knots, runway 07, clear to land.
Clear to land, RPC 317.
Ano yun? Sit.
Power. Okay. Approaching. Approaching. Take the glide. 67. Take center line. Take the glide. Take, press. Ilan po. Take. Take. Okay lang. Okay lang. Taas mo lang yung ulo. Okay lang. Got this, boy. Okay lang. Okay lang. Okay lang. Okay lang. Let's go! Let's fucking go! Woo! Tangina mo. Ah! Tangina gati.
Fully port on base, RPC 79988.
Kaya yun, tuwa yung
RPC
approach na maganda mo rin.
947,
Nagawa ko
runway
pa rin
runway 07.
Nag-drift ka pa, no?
Tangina, grabe. Sabi ko, hindi, okay lang. Be patient, be
Alright.
patient. Kaya, bababayan. Kalan ko, sabi ko, tangina liyan. Pindot ko yung rudder na lip. Sabi ko, kaya. Check ko mo ng gano'n.
Ay, nako.